Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And these are general readings, won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Leos. So on your side we have the Page of Pentacles. Let's see what's there on your person side. Two cards. So let's see what's on your person side. Okay, we have the World on your person side, and the most likely outcome is, wow, the Four of Wands. So as far as these three cards are concerned, things seem to be pretty good. So on your side we have the Page of Pentacles. So definitely you are making a new beginning, a small start perhaps towards this person. Maybe the initial step is a little smaller, or it's a small gesture or a small step towards this person, but then yes, there is definitely a movement forward. On your person's side we have the World. So this person, in this person's life, there is something is ending and something new is beginning. This is completion of a particular cycle in their life. We'll see that once we clarify. As far as the most likely outcome is concerned, we have the Four of Wands. So for the Four of Wands, it is talking about stability, commitment, long term, everything beautiful and happy. So let's clarify. So let's see what is this. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles on your side. So for the Page of Pentacles, we have the King of Cups, the Magician, and the Star. Beautiful. Let's clarify the World on your person side. So for the World, we have the Moon, okay, the Seven of Wands, and the King of Swords. Okay, let's clarify the Four of Wands here. Let's clarify the Four of Wands. The most likely outcome, we have the Two of Pentacles, the Death and Rebirth, okay, and the Page of Wands. Okay. So Leos, for the Page of Pentacles, we have the King of Cups, the Magician, and the Star. So what I feel here is that you are making a new beginning. It's like a fresh start. That's what I feel. It's like a fresh start regarding in a situation in which you are very, very emotional about. You have a lot of emotions, and it's a fresh start towards a situation which you feel is going to give you a lot of healing, and a lot of hope is there in this relationship. So you feel that it's a dream come true. You feel there is a lot of hope and a lot of healing in this situation, and that is why you want to manifest it. You really want it because you have a lot of emotions. So you have a lot of expectations in a positive way, I should say, which you feel there is low hope, you feel there is healing, you feel it's my dream come true, and you really want it, and that is the direction in which you are wanting to move forward, and you are actually putting a step forward, moving a step forward in this direction. As far as your person is concerned, with the World we have the Moon, the Seven of Wands, and the King of Swords. Somehow this person is closing a cycle. After a lot of logical thinking, this person is taking a decision for their own mental peace, for their path of least resistance. Okay, this person is looking for peace. So there is something which has been going on in this person's life. Okay, and I don't know, it may be related to you, it may not be related to you, but there is something going on, and it's something seems to be, it was a cycle somehow. Maybe it was a repeated cycle, and it was happening again and again. It can be that also. And things, maybe they were dealing with something in which they were not very clear as to where they stand. It can be that also. So here there is a situation in which this person is not very clear as to where they stand, what is actually happening, and they want to sort of leave it. That's what I feel. They are tired of dealing with this. They're tired of being in the situation of sort of where do I stand in this person's life, sort of. Okay, and that is what they are analyzing and thinking. Okay, and that is what the decision is. They are closing that cycle in which they are tired of staying for such a long time, and they don't even know where they stand. What do they mean to the another person? It's something like that. Okay, and for the Four of Wands, we have the Two of Pentacles, the Death and Rebirth, and the Page of Wands. So what I feel is it may be connected to you, but it may be connected to their own life individually. Maybe something else was going on in their life, maybe with someone else, because I really feel that it doesn't, the vibe which I'm picking up is I really don't feel it's related to you. It's related to there something else in their life, some other aspect in which they were in such a relationship, perhaps in which it was not very clear as to what is their own, what is their identity basically in that, and that is what they are trying to uh, put off or close it off and move on. Okay, and that is why for the Four of Wands, we have the Two of Pentacles, Death and Rebirth, and the Page of Wands. So again, what I feel here is that this person, we have the commitment here, we have the stability. So what you are trying to give them, this person is perhaps happy with that, but there is still a little bit of a decision which needs to be taken. Okay, since this person is a little bit confused here, they are dealing with some endings and beginnings, so they may take some time to decide. But then what I feel here is this cycle which they are actually trying to close will actually be closed. And with the Page of Wands, I really feel that you will be on the same page with the Page of Pentacles here and the Page of Wands here. So this person is also finally going to make a move towards you, or acknowledge your, or reciprocate your efforts. That's what I'm trying to say. So let's see what is the message from this deck. Simple acts of kindness. Number 5 may be of some significance for you. Kindness energizes you and brings happiness to those around you. So whatever the situation is, just be kind and act on the basis of kindness. So Leos, hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.